Punga first, Punga first.
Punga. Never hesitate for rise your one like Munga.
Alright.
And this is Des.
Yes.
Even when him the far, tell them see him in high res.
Tylil.
Tylil.
Yes.
Let me tell you something, Tylil.
Yeah.
Every girl, as long as they're under my will, they're gonna sleep with you every night and make sure you doze off like NyQuil.
Bomba clad. Kai.
Now, Kai. Now, scientists don't even know why.
Okay.
The love the girls have for you is so high. It passes the sky. Now, a lot of niggas wanna try, but when you walk in the club and the ladies see you, these niggas. Hold on. You're not a flight attendant, but you're so fly.
But when the plug it in and it get warm and start vibrate, I'm start vibrate on it. Oh, yeah, just come me water. When me come, I say, whoo. Oh.
Wait. Didn't can't do it.
But plenty of man walk with dead and me dildo. So me nice and blood clad, you know. So me nice. You know, so me look good. Blood clad. The bomber clad, you know, mix up with the fact. You know, mix up with me and grow to me, yeah, so me a stand right here.
You know, so last night, I want peace.
Yeah.
And me, I look for me wood and can't find it. Then I know, so me end up at myself. So, me go up so.
Yeah.
Yes, some boy. But Peter, look like a piece up yourself. Me, I say, oh. Then me know all man, me entitled to piece up myself.
Yeah.
Come here, old man.
Yeah.
So
where are the ones, mama? What are you? Yo, they don't go and get no green. Yo.
Little girl, I full popcorn. Why did you? I want the popcorn.
I'm here in Jamaica having a nap. Where are you?